Meritocracy is a system where individuals are promoted or given higher positions based on their abilities, talents, and achievements rather than other factors such as social status or connections. While meritocracy ideally creates a fair and efficient way of distributing opportunities and allocating positions, it is not without its drawbacks. One of the main concerns with meritocracy is the potential for stagnation, when individuals reach higher positions, but lack the necessary ability or knowledge to excel. In a purely meritocratic system, people who have climbed up the ranks based solely on their past achievements might fail to meet the new demands or challenges of their higher role. This issue can arise due to a few reasons. One might be inability to adapt. Meritocracy often focuses on rewarding individuals who have excelled in specific areas. However, skills and competencies required at higher positions might differ significantly from those that led to success in lower positions. Without the ability to adapt, individuals may struggle to keep up with the changing demands of their new roles, leading to stagnation. Yet another might be lack of holistic perspective. Meritocracy tends to reward individuals for their individual achievements, but higher positions often require a broader understanding of the organization and its complexities. If individuals lack this holistic perspective, they may find it difficult to effectively lead or make decisions at higher levels, impeding progress and growth. One more reason might be limited knowledge and experience. Moving up in a meritocratic system may not provide individuals with sufficient exposure to different roles and responsibilities. As a result, they may lack the necessary knowledge or experience to effectively manage and innovate in new positions. This limited perspective and lack of expertise can contribute to stagnation and hinder organizational progress. To mitigate the risk of stagnation in a meritocracy, organizations can adopt measures such as 1. Continuous learning and development. Offering training programs and opportunities for individuals to enhance their skills and knowledge can help them adapt to new roles and responsibilities. Regular skill updates and exposure to diverse challenges can reduce the chances of stagnation. 2. Job rotation and cross-functional experience. Encouraging employees to work in different roles and departments can provide them with a wider perspective and a holistic understanding of the organization. This exposure to diverse areas can enhance their ability to take on higher positions effectively. 3. Mentorship and feedback. Mentoring relationships and constructive feedback can help individuals identify areas for improvement and work on them. Regular guidance and mentoring sessions can support individuals in overcoming stagnation by nurturing their abilities and knowledge. Ideally, a well-designed meritocratic system should not only consider past achievements, but also focus on potential, adaptability, and continuous learning. By addressing the limitations of meritocracy and implementing effective measures to support growth and development, organizations can minimize the risk of stagnation in higher positions. Once high-potential employees are identified, organizations must invest in their development through targeted training programs. These programs should focus on bridging skill gaps, enhancing leadership competencies, and broadening their industry knowledge. Offering mentoring, coaching, and stretch assignments tailored to their growth requirements enables individuals to gain new perspectives, build critical networks, and develop essential leadership skills. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you found it valuable or entertaining, please help me out by sharing it with others, giving it a like, and subscribing to my channel to join the wonderful community we have here.